This look right here, this one? Oh, girl, it's just chaos dirt. I know. Yep, sure is. Mm. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oblong Polka Dots and my name is Kerr, and on this channel we talk about makeup, skincare, and beauty. So if that's something you're into, you've come to the right place. Today, I would like to share with you something special. I placed an order with a small cosmetic brand that is called Chaos Dirt, and they sell little single shadows that come in these adorable little envelopes. These shadows are all magnetized, and when you receive them, on the back of the card that your shadow is in is the name of the shadow itself, along with the ingredients. So I picked up 4. One of them, a 5th one, was given to me by a friend of mine here on YouTube, Beauty and the Beaker, and that one I've actually showed in a different video. I really liked it a lot, so I ordered 4 more. I ordered Forbidden, Tawdry, Invest, and the shadow we are going to play with today is called Lucky. So I hope that showed up on camera, you guys. So let me show you what Lucky looks like. This is Lucky right here, this super duper industrial strength bright green. I don't even know if it's showing up as well as it should be, but this is the color we're going to play with. Since it's not necessarily, for me, a standalone color, I grabbed my color wheel and tried to decide what I could do with it. And I'm going to go with the opposite end of the wheel to complement that green. So I found the palette I want to use, and that's from another small brand, an indie brand. This is called Oma. And we are going to be working with the purple that's in this palette right here, and then possibly this shade right here. And we will pop the green on top. So let's begin. We are going to begin the way that we normally would with any eyeshadow look, and we're going to prime the eye. Oh, I almost forgot, you guys. The owner of the company left me a really nice note. She says, "Hi Kirsten, thank you so much for your order. One of my followers has let me know about your YouTube video. I'm going to watch tonight and I can't wait. Love, Georgie and Brendan." That was very kind. Thanks, you guys. I really appreciate it. All right, so let's get this look going. I'm kind of excited. Hold on. Turn that off. Okay, so we're going to prime the eyes like we normally would with our Essence Prime Like a Boss eyeshadow base. And make sure that we pop that on there so we can really give our shadow the best outcome. Sorry if I'm coughing or clearing my throat. It's very smoky here in Seattle. The wildfires are back. It's also hot outside, so my fan is on and my window is closed. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer, which has had me in a complete chokehold, as you guys know. I love it so much. By the way, it's evening. I have nowhere to be, so I literally just like rinsed my face off really quick and just turned on the camera so I could start filming this video. But I wanted to get it out to you guys so you could see what the shadows were like from Chaos Dirt. I love supporting small brands and trying to help them get ahead, so you know, anything I can do to be supportive. All right, so the face is primed, and we are going to go ahead and grab this Oma palette first and start working in these other shades. So I'm going to grab a fluffy brush, one of these bad boys. I'm going in with that, I think I'm going to start off with this shade actually. This one is called e.l.f. I'm going to put that in my crease. I was going to do Abyssinia, but I think I want this one instead. So we're going to start off with e.l.f. I'm going to work that into the crease. Nice bright pink to go with that lucky green. Just going to really pop that in there. Want to make sure that we have a lot of saturation because that green is really, really bright. So we're going to need something that's going to be able to compete with it. Let's pop that on here. Sorry if it's loud. My neighbors are making a bunch of racket. I think they're vacuuming. Yeah, this should be good with that green. Pink and green go well together. But I also want to deepen up this transition using the Abyssinia color. So we're going to do that here in a second. I just wanted to have something that I could really anchor this with. Here we go. And then we're going to grab a smaller fluffy brush. One of these seals right here. And we're going to go in with that color right on the corner with Abyssinia. And we're going to start pulling this in. Just so we can add some dimension. And then we will dedicate the rest of the lid to Lucky, because I want that shadow to really shine. Okay, you guys, so for this section, I really just had to speed it up because one, I was rambling at you, and two, you know how I get to blending, and I'm just like, that's all I'm doing is going through and blending everything in as best I can because I'm really trying to make sure that this has a lot of dimension to it. And I had to yell at my son because he was out here really making all kinds of racket, and I sincerely did not think that you guys wanted to hear all that nonsense. So so this is just me going through blending and trying to spare you from hearing my son act a fool. Okay? Okay. Thank you. We are going in with our NYX glitter primer. I want to give this shadow from Chaos Dirt all that I can give it so that we can really get that green showing up. So we're going to grab just a little synthetic brush and we're going to apply that primer everywhere that we want that Chaos Dirt shadow to really pop. Okay. So let's see. I know that Beauty and the Beaker said to apply this with my finger. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to grab this right here. Again, this beautiful atomic green from Chaos Dirt. This is what it looks like on the finger. And we're going to press this down. Ladies and gentlemen, this did not disappoint. What is going on here? Can you see that? We definitely have a winner. Wow. You guys, this is a stunner. Are you seeing this? Yes. It's a yes for me. I don't know about you guys, but it is a yes for me. Wow. First of all, let me explain something to you about this formula. It is a dry formula, but in this case, that's what works in its favor. You don't have to worry about this really beautiful, vibrant shimmer clumping up because the formula is dry. There's a lot of different formulas I've tried where you have a formula that's like a wetter formula or something that's creamy, and you get that kind of clumping on the eye. You're not going to get that with this. You're just not. It's going to go exactly where you need it to go. And she's absolutely right to use your finger for sure. And you know me. I don't particularly care for using my finger, but in this case, it's a must. It's a must. Look at that. That's this right here. This is undeniable. It's undeniable. I don't know what to say. This is beautiful. It is beautiful. It is stunning. You need this. Order it. The prices too. Oh my gosh. The prices are so affordable. She, or they, I should say, have priced their products at a really affordable price point, coming all the way from the United Kingdom to the United States. And yes, yeah, boy. First of all, you're definitely going to see these other colors. I'm going to have to do dedicated videos for the other three, for sure, for these three right here. So stay tuned because, yes, honey, those will be coming. Yep. Yep. Let me wipe off my hand. This is so pretty. I don't know what else to say. I feel like you can see it speaks for itself, right? I mean, oof. Come on. Oof. Okay, there we go. I had to get my makeup cleaner. So I'm going to clean off my hand here real quick, and then I'm going to clean off my face, and then we're going to see what else we can do. I almost don't want to do anything more because I feel like it looks fine the way it is. It's beautiful. Yeah, I'm glad that I bought this. For sure. So pretty. Look at that. If you are into really bright colors, if you are someone that even works in entertainment, if you're in showbiz and you need to have something that really pops, this is it right here. Go no further. You won't need to. They got what you need at Chaos Dirt. They've already got it. Just reach out, place your order. They've got it. You're covered. So glad I bought this. It's beautiful. Okay. Yep. So for the inner corner right here, I'm going to go in with another small brush and just tidy that up a little bit so I can pull that color in because I think I just kind of wiped it away. And we'll see how it applies with a brush. It's applying very well. Yes. Yep. So even if you don't want to use your finger, which you should, in this case, I think you're going to get the most impact, you can still use a brush and you're still going to have impact. Just getting into that corner where I just could not reach. So pretty. Love it. Okay, let me finish the rest of my face and we will come back and talk about this shadow. Give me a minute. Okay guys, I am back and this is the finished look. What do you think? I love it. I cannot believe how dramatic this shadow is. Lucky. It is lucky. From Chaos Dirt. Get out of here. Look at that. Can you see that? It mixes so beautifully with that purple from Oma. Yeah. Yep. This was the right thing to do. You will be seeing these shadows again. They will be popping up in future looks. Do not act surprised when you see them. Okay? Chaos Dirt, you guys. Once again, this is what we're working with. And believe me, this camera is not picking it up the way it needs to be picked up. It is not giving these colors justice the way they need to be given justice. Beautiful. Lovely. 100% endorse. Get over there to Chaos Dirt. I will leave a link in the description box of everything that I use. I will also leave a link to the website for Chaos Dirt where you can make your purchase. They did not pay me to say any of this. We are not affiliated at all. I'm just telling you what I like, and I'm telling you where you can go get it. Okay? Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.